So one of the items we work with clients very regularly on is internal controls. What are internal controls? Internal controls are just procedures that you put into your business to make sure or reduce the likelihood that somebody is stealing from your business. Now, if you're like most of my clients, what I hear is that my team's been with me a long time, they take care of me, they have my back, no one would be stealing from my business. Those are typically the businesses that are most likely to have money stolen from them. They're typically the easiest targets. And it's not big money most of the time, it's just little things where they're taking advantage of stuff. So 2 internal controls that I recommend, I like for every one of my clients to have in place, is one, and they sound very simple, look at your bank statements. Open your bank statements or go online and look at your bank statements, but don't just look at the statement, look at the checks that were written and the vendors that they were written to or the amounts that came out of the account and make sure they look reasonable. If there's something there that you don't know about, or even if you do know about it, it's probably not a bad idea to ask about it, because a lot of times just by asking, what is this? Everybody knows that you're looking at it and you have an eye on things. You're not going to catch all fraud with that, but you're going to catch the bulk of it because most of it's going to go through your bank account. The second internal control that even sounds simpler than the first is look at your payroll reports. You would be surprised at how often I hear when someone starts looking at their payroll reports that they're surprised that so-and-so worked so much overtime, or they don't remember that so-and-so did this or so-and-so did that. What is happening is the employee is not even thinking about it, but they're inadvertently stealing from you by falsifying their time a little bit. It happens all the time, and it's more common than you might think. So if you do these 2 things, one is looking at your checking account, looking at your bank statements, and looking at the activity in the account. And 2, looking at your payroll reports so that you know what you're actually paying your employees and for how much time you're paying your employees, you will catch a significant amount of what may be going wrong with your business. If you have questions or comments, feel free to email me at questions@mydentalcpa.com.